The future is driven by intelligence, not just muscle. And at the forefront of this revolution lies the Artificial Intelligence (AI) division. Ever wondered what it's all about? Buckle up because we're taking you on a deep dive into this existing field. The AI division delves into the fascinating world of creating intelligent machines. You will explore the science behind machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and more. Learn how to teach computers to think, analyze, and even make decisions just like humans. Machine learning algorithms, deep learning architectures, natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, ethics, and society of AI. So, where this lead? The sky's the limit. AI graduates are in high demand across various industries, from healthcare and finance to tech giants and startups. Become a researcher, developer, data scientist, or even build your own AI-powered company. Problem solving, critical thinking, coding and programming, data analysis and visualization, teamwork and communication. Ready to talk numbers? AI professionals are among the highest paid in the tech industry, with average annual salaries exceeding $145,000. The demand is skyrocketing, so your earning potential is immense. Want to join the AI revolution? Top universities around the world offer cutting-edge programs in this field, like Stanford University, Harvard University, University of California, Imperial College London, University of Toronto, University of Amsterdam, Delft University of Technology, in addition to many universities around the world. The future is intelligent, and you can be a part of it. If you are curious, analytical, and passionate by technology, the AI division might be your perfect calling. Explore, learn, and create a future powered by your own intelligence. Thanks for joining us. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more existing tech dives.